Yeah.
Today we are doing a exercise which is that we are going to select two pieces and the student is going to add those two pieces but transforming into decimals. Okay, we are practicing for the UIL contest. We are going to have 3 contests of mathematics in December and January. Okay, so you select two. Select two. Okay, keep going. Okay. So this is 1/6 plus. Okay, this is. Y este es. And that's the answer that the students should get. Show to the camera. And that is absolutely correct. Okay, another one. Okay, you choose 2. Wait. Okay, choose 2. Okay. Is 1/2 and 4/5. This is, and this is, when you add, and that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. So if you observe, he is doing it mental because during the test, the students cannot use paper like what I'm doing here in order to demonstrate how he is going to get the answer. He should do it just the answer. Okay, great. Thank you.